Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here again. How is everyone? I hope all is well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this look by using this palette from Morphe. It is the 9A Golden Brown. This is kind of more of matte color. This is an inspired eye makeup for night date, like with your loved ones or with your friends. And this is very simple. I just used like 4 or 5 colors using that palette, just blending it in, and nothing really, there's no shimmer going on for this eye makeup tutorial. And I use this lipstick from Maybelline. It is a Superstay matte ink, and this is in color of 120 artist. Anyways, I'll be writing down all the product that I used today down below in the description. So okay, before we start, I would like to say that to those who's new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. So let's get started. Alright mga loves, we are going to start now with our eye tutorial, and this is the palette, is what I've said that we're going to be using. It's the eyeshadow palette from Morphe, and as you can see, I put tape. I'm using tape today, and if you have the eyeshadow shield, I ran out for that for a while now, so tape will be okay, and it's still good, and it does the work, so it's fine. So first we'll start off with this color Splendid, this one right here. So I am using my Sigma brush E35, my favorite brush. So this palette mga loves is a little powdery, so you have to top off the excess. It's been a while that I'm not doing a eye makeup tutorial. You guys, life has been crazier lately. I mean, as you could hear, that I think I mentioned to you from my previous vlog that we moved here in Las Vegas from Colorado. So packing up things, it's not fun, it's super crazy. So yeah, so we moved from Colorado to here. Sorry if I keep talking, I should not be doing that, but can help myself. It's been a while that I'm not doing this eye makeup tutorial. So anyways, I use the Splendid, and I just put that on my crease as a transition. So I'm just doing back and forth like a wiper motion, kind of focusing to my outer corner, so it shows more of the color there. I use the tape as my guide, so we have like a sharp line thing in there later. So anyways guys, yeah, that's what I was doing, and I took good care of my job transfer. It's been crazy as well, but thankfully I just started working again like this week. So after that color, let me see, let me intensify the color. Okay, right now what I am going to do is I'm gonna use this color right here. This color here, Storm. This is the very dark matte black eyeshadow, and I'll be using this tiny cute little brush of mine. It's from Morphe 148. So I'll be putting like really close to my eyelashes, so like a fading effect in there. I'm going to put it right there, and then we are going to smudge it later. So here really close to my eyelashes. And then I'm going to bring it right here in the outer corner of the shape there. I'm going to put that a little like a fading effect of like a wing. Yup, so life gets back to normal, mga loves. I started working again, and to be honest with you, I'm still loving the weather. Like several days ago we checked the Colorado weather is like below 30, but here it's like 65, 70, so yep, can't complain. Alright, so right now I am going to use this bruise color again. So I am just going to put that on top of that the black color that is, and I'm just going to smudge it there, like diffuse the color, so it looks nicer. This is just a very easy smoky eye look, mga loves. It's very easy to apply. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys out there have this palette, the Morphe, the 9A. This has been out for a while. You know, it's better late than never. And I have one out coming. Maybe I'll make an eye tutorial of that palette as well. It's from Morphe as well. We'll discuss that on my next video. Alright loves, I am going to use this brush E37 without any product in it. I'm just gonna blend here and diffuse like down to my eyebrow and to my crease as well to diffuse the harshness. Just blend everything like that, and then the other side as well. So you see there's like a little sharp line in here because we use the tape. You can also use you know, skip the tape, but you have to be like, you know, the sponges that you use for your foundation, like this one, you gotta be like, all you have to do is like do like that, press it slowly in the edge, so you're gonna get the sharp line in there in the corner. Alright, so I'm going to apply some falsies and mascara off the camera, and I'll be right back. Alright loves, I put already a falsies and a mascara, but since this palette don't have a highlights, I would like to use my highlighter, the Becca highlighter. So I'll be using this pencil brush from Sigma E30, and I'm just gonna pick this color and just put that in my inner corner. little amount to my brow bone right there. And then back to this Morphe M148. I would like to use this bruise right here, and I am going to apply that on my lower lashes. Alright, so here is the final look. I hope you like this video and you find this helpful. I would like to call this a sultry, easy smoky eye. I mean, what I just used like what 4 colors of the palette. Okay guys, that's all for the video today, and I hope you give me a thumbs up if it's video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.